The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Department of Public Health. The Florida Department of Public Health is asking all residents of the state of Florida to shelter in place. This is regarding the recent YM21 virus outbreak that is affecting the state of Florida. Hospitals around the state are overwhelmed with new patients coming in with the virus. If you are anywhere outside, please turn and go back to your house, as the governor of the state of Florida is asking all businesses to close down for safety reasons. The roads are also closed for military use only. Though these are tough times, we would like to ensure you that emergency and military personnel are working to keep you safe. Please tune into news stations for updates and more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police and the Florida Department of Health. A civil danger warning is now in effect until further notice. There have been multiple reports of people infected with the YM21 virus that are acting strange and violent. If you think you are infected with the virus, here are the symptoms that the Florida Department of Health say you should look out for: decreased heart rate, sweating, coughing, or throwing up blood, increased violent behavior, and shortness of breath. If you have any of these symptoms, call 911 immediately, and if possible, get someone to restrain you, as you may start losing control of your actions. Please tune into news stations for updates and information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police, the Florida Department of Health, and the Florida State Governor. The YM21 virus situation keeps getting worse and worse. Now reports are coming in that the people infected with the virus are committing cannibalistic actions, and these people that been badly mangled are noted to come back to life, even when missing major organs or pieces of flesh. These people that come back to life are also noted to be carrying the YM21 virus. And these people that come back to life are also committing cannibalistic actions. If you are not infected with this virus, please do the following: close and lock all doors and windows, turn off all heat and air conditioning, shut off all lights, and remain calm and keep quiet. And if you can, barricade your doors and windows. Please tune into news stations for more updates and information on this life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The YM21 virus has now gone beyond state lines, and now reports are coming in as all 50 U.S. states and U.S. territories are now infected with this virus. It is unknown if this virus has gone past country lines. For those that are still left that have not been affected by this virus, please remain in your home. Do not go outside for any reason. The Tampa Bay and Miami metropolitan areas are a total loss. There is more information that will be broadcasted later, but for now, remain in your homes.
Is this thing on? Okay, let's make this quick. For those that are still alive, this will be the very last broadcast. As you know, the virus outbreak known as YM21 has now gone past country lines, and now there are reports from all over the world that every single country has this virus. This may be the end of the world as we know it. I can't confirm that at this time, but this may be the end. And if this is the end, please do what's best to make you comfortable. We will now conclude this with the final playing of our national anthem.